PetMate Top Entry Litter Pan Cat Litter Box Brushed Nickel/Pearl White. Top Entry Litter Box. This enclosed kitty litter box features high walls for cats' privacy. The wide, top entry design easily accommodates larger cats and has a graded surface to collect litter from cats' paws. Litter-free floor. The tall litter box allows cats to dig and cover waste without spilling litter onto the floor. The graded top collects litter from paws as cats exit the pan, allowing litter to fall into the pan below. Pet Cleanup. Swiftly clean up after your dog or cat while at home or on walks with a variety of waste management products. From waste bags, rakes, pans, trainings pads to poop scoopers, litter boxes and litter, we've got you and your pet covered. PetMate. For over 50 years, we at PetMate are passionate about our dogs, cats and furry friends in general. Starting with the very first dog kennel, we've produced plenty of eco-friendly products that pets will love. Just for pets, PetMate makes a variety of pet products for dogs, cats, chickens, and other small furry friends. Check out our brands such as Aspen Pet, Arm & Hammer, Buddha, Chuckit, Jackson Galaxy and more.